The art of making dream catchers has been around for quite some time now, and its uses for catching bad dreams continues on as time goes by. I was thinking about making one and wanted to check out what others were doing with this art. So as always, I was so impressed at what these extremely creative people can do, I wanted to share the beautiful craft with you. Feathers have been incorporated into many artists' rendition of a dream catcher, and I encourage you to look up the different meanings of what happens to the feathers, such as one falling on you. This is so beautiful and creative. Imagine all the images you could create using this technique. This Minnie Mouse themed dream catcher would be perfect for any little princess's room. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to see up-and-coming previews of videos and much more. Now this is not your traditional dream catcher, but if it works, let it catch those naughty nightmares. This dream catcher looking wall hanging is actually made mostly of macrame. You can see the little knots within the design. And here we have yet another dream catcher imposter, but this time made with a really cool tree. This setup must have taken hours. It's so beautiful and it would be so eye-catching on any wall. I'll take 5, please. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching so far. My name is Angela, and the channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. I also post videos about arts and crafts, wig vids, furniture redesign, lots of ideas, and so much more. If you've made it this far, you must be getting some value out of this video. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button to support my channel. Your subscription would help support my channel so I can continue to bring you more creative videos. And if you're already subscribed, bless your heart and thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.